Hello everyone, I'm Caleb with Dansie Design Build, and today I wanted to talk to you about how you can start building your basement walkout entry, what the different steps of the project are. So today we're here getting ready to start a new project in Heber, Utah, and want to talk about what the first steps are. So far what we've done is we've been able to produce a set of plans, get those engineered, and get the permits processed at the city office. Those are the first steps that need to happen. So we've done that here, and the next one is actually move on site and get prepared for the excavation. So here I've labeled the grass and sprayed some lines to show where the walls are going to be going and where we're going to need to be digging in order to get the concrete installed. So I'll turn the camera around here and show you what's going on. Okay, so before we jump in and actually look at the actual property, I wanted to take some time to show you or talk about the time frame that it takes to get to this point. So far, we've been able to draw the drawings, and we've been able to get the engineering done and then get the permits at the city. So typical time frame for producing the drawings is about a week. It's about another week to 2 weeks for the engineering portion. And then at the city office, that could be anywhere from 2 weeks to a month typically. And then once we get those permits approved from the city, that's the last step before we can actually start the construction. And that typically takes about 3 to 4 weeks to get all of the construction stuff wrapped up. So that's a rough timeline for your information there. Now let's jump in and see what we've got going on the ground. All right, so this is the plan that we're going with on this walkout. You can see that it's an L-shaped walkout here. There's a landing at the bottom with the drain. There's a couple of steps, and then there's an intermediate landing, and then there's the rest of the stairs bringing you up to the level of the grass in the backyard. So what we've done here is we've actually sprayed this onto the ground out here. So you can see this is the different areas that we're going to be working with. This first one here is this little sidewalk area. We're not going to be putting any foundation walls there, but I have located here where the actual foundation walls are going to go. They've labeled that with an 8-inch foundation wall label. And then over here we have another one, the other one that we need to build that goes across here and down and then into the back right there. So this is where those stairs are going to be coming up to the landing at the top, and then the walkway to connect back to this patio, which is already pre-existing or existing prior to us starting the project. So once we get these lines marked on here, then the next thing we'll do is we'll actually get the excavation done. And that is going to be something that's happening tomorrow morning. So we're ready to rock and roll tomorrow morning with this. So if you need help getting started with your basement walkout entry, you can reach us on our website, dansiedesignbuild.com. We've got tons of resources there. You can schedule a consultation, and we'll reach right back out to you to get you the help you need to get started with your basement walkout entry. Thanks, and have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.